All right, so if your business presentations still look basic or unclear, yeah, that can cost you clients and opportunities. In this video, I'll show you advanced tips to create powerful business presentations using Gamma AI. First, quick idea, it's not just about slides, it's about clarity, structure, and impact. Always start with a goal. What do you want your audience to understand or do? Don't use basic prompts, be specific and strategic. Prompt. Create a business presentation focused on increasing sales, including strategy, data insights, and action steps. Structure your slides like a pitch, problem, solution, and results. Focus on insights, not just information. Keep slides clean and professional. Avoid clutter. Support your points with data, examples, or case studies. Adjust your presentation based on who you're presenting to. Use Gamma AI to refine everything, improve clarity, tone, and structure. End with a clear conclusion and call to action. So, yeah, once you use these advanced tips, your business presentations become more clear, persuasive, and professional. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI business guides coming soon.